how to get started with your hosting and domain name on our website. It's a very simple step-by-step guide, so just stick to this video and I promise you're not going to regret it. So this is the Host Africa website. How to log in is you just enter www.wehostafrica.com, enter, and here it is. So to get started, you may just decide to, if you are if you're just starting, you may just decide to start by signing up, or you may just decide to go straight to the reason for your visit, which is hosting your website. So here you can see that we have shared hosting, reseller, dedicated server, VPS hosting, and all that. So you have to just pick the one that you want. For the course of this video, we're going to start with shared hosting, which is one of the most popular hosting plans, and very easy to use, and very good for beginners. So let's get started. Okay, this is your shared hosting services, the different plans we have under shared hosting. You can see that we have starter plan, professional, business, corporate, and premium. So for you to make the right choice of your hosting plan, you just have to check the features that they carry, compare them with the type of website that you have, or the type of the type of website you intend to have. Like here under startup plan, you can see that it has 3 gig space. This professional has 7, business 15. So depending on the length or the weight of your site, you can decide on the type of on the hosting plan that you want to have. So for um for beginners, we always advise that you start with a starter plan. So, and starter plan, this is it: 3 gig disk space, 10 gig bandwidth, 5 subdomains, 5 database, to 25 email accounts, control panel, and 247 support. This comes with the hosting plan. Okay, so let's get you started. Choose the plan. Okay, you're going straight to where you register your domain name. So here, if you already have a domain name that from another hosting company, and now that you want to purchase a hosting plan with us, you want to transfer the domain name. Here you click transfer your domain name from another registrar. Okay, very easy process too. But if you already have an existing domain name and you just want to update them to your name server, you can just click here. But if you are just starting, or you're just new to Wehostafrica website, you can just register a new domain name. So for example, I'm gonna start with Classic Closets, and I'm going for, you pick the domain that you want. I'm going for .com.ng. So here you're gonna check whether this domain is available. So it's a very easy way for you to know what you're doing. If not, then you have to be coming off and on, because maybe your domain name is already taken or something like that. So here you check whether it's available. Checking availability. Okay, congratulations, classicloser.com.ng is available. So this is this shows you that is available, so you can just get started with the whole process. You continue. Okay, you continue, and here it takes you directly to where you have already chosen your domain name, and here you have to make your order for your starter, your hosting plan. And we made Okay, here you make your purchase, and what we ordered for was starter plan. See it, you can see it here, 3,270. The VAT, the gateway charge and everything make it 3,270 naira. So for okay for example, you may come to this place and you notice that it's showing dollars and not naira, or it's showing naira and not dollar, and maybe you want to change the currency. You just click here, go straight down. Okay, first of all, reduce this one, reduce the categories. That's not where we're going to. So you see, choose currency. Can you see that? Okay, this one is naira, it's already in naira. If you want to change to dollar, is here. If you want to change to naira, oh okay, it's already changing to dollar. You can see that is in dollar right now. So you want to change back to naira, but because of this video and because we are in Nigeria, so this is it, naira, changing back to naira. Okay, that's fine, it's already in naira. Okay, you see we are paying for starter shared hosting. Okay,